Hello dear Woxchain investors. In this video, I'll walk you through how to buy WOX tokens during the presale using your Web3 wallet on Woxchain's official DApp, dapp.woxchain.com. Step 1. Go to the purchase page. Open your browser and head over to dapp.woxchain.com/buywox. Step 2. Connect your wallet. Click the Connect Wallet button at the top right corner. From the pop-up, choose your wallet. We recommend MetaMask. It's secure and widely used. Once you approve the connection, your Ethereum address will automatically appear on the screen. Step 3. Review payment options. You can use the following crypto assets to buy WOX: USDT, ETHEREUM, or USDC. But for the smoothest and fastest experience, we recommend using ETH. Step 4. Check your ERC20 balances. On the page, you'll see a section called Your ERC20 Balances. This shows how much of each token you currently hold in your wallet. If you have enough ETH, you're good to go. Step 5. Enter amount and purchase WOX. Type in how much you'd like to pay. In this video, I'm using Ethereum as the example. The system will automatically calculate how many WOX tokens you'll receive and show it right below. Click Purchase WOX Tokens. Your wallet will prompt you with a confirmation screen. Review and hit Confirm. Step 6. Done. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the WOX tokens will be sent instantly to your wallet. There's no wait time. Everything happens automatically on Web3. Add WOX token to your wallet. If you don't see the WOX token in your wallet, you can always add it manually using the token's contract address. Final note. As you've seen, buying WOX through Web3 is simple, secure, and fast. If you run into any issues, feel free to reach out to us at support@woxchain.com. We're happy to help. In the next video, I'll show you how to stake your WOX tokens. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Woxchain ecosystem. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.